Welcome to my channel, Investing with Gaston. Today we're going to be talking about short-term rentals. Specifically, we're going to be talking about squatters. What happens when squatters get into your property and how to avoid that situation. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a like as many times as you can, and of course hit the notification bell so we can notify you of new videos coming on next time. So, what happened with squatters? I have this question because I'm part of a mentorship on a Facebook group. It's called Airbnb Masterminds, and I had this question seen quite a few times already. People get squats. People get, these people goes in, rent your property for some time, but they decide to stay in the property and not leave your property. I'm not even paying you for the staying of the property, so it's called squat. Now, what happened when this happened? Unfortunately, most of these people, they know exactly what they're doing. They know the laws pretty well in their favor, and they actually, they expect for you to make mistakes, so they will obviously stay more on the property or get some kind of money in their favor. Okay, so they're going to try to punish you with some money. So there's ways to avoid all this. First is actually when you rent on Airbnb or VRBO, have a limit. Time limit, no more than 21 days of short-term rental. Why 21 days? Because once these people pass 30 days, they become tenants. And when they become tenants, their status change from the short-term rental to tenant. They have all the privileges and they have all the benefits, which actually they can go against you. So no more than 21 days on short-term rental. Personally, I don't go for more than 15. So that way I make sure of that. Secondly, always make sure when you accept anybody, check their reviews. If that person has, bad reviews or has no reviews at all, don't take them. You need people just with good reviews, people that travels a lot, people that actually, they're going to go to your site, they're going to enjoy there, and then they're going to go back to their normal place of where they live. So you have to avoid that situation in the first place. The idea is to don't even get in there. So if you rent to a maximum 15 days, you'll be fine, because you're going to have, if somebody decides to stay there, you have 15 days to take care of how to get rid of them. Okay, and normally it might take about 10 days before you can get results. So I give you 15 plus 10, 25 days, and by that time they're still not a tenant, so you have chances to get them out. Okay, now things that I see people telling other people to do, all different kind of reactions, like change the lock, cut the utilities, stuff like that will not work. Okay, you cannot legally do that. You cannot go inside and take their stuff out. Okay, you cannot do any of that stuff without their permission, so you're not going to get that. Okay, that would be completely illegal to do. Don't do that. When this happens, your best solution would be to go talk to a lawyer quickly, and the lawyer, based on your state or your locality, may be able to tell you exactly what you need to do, and you got to tell them how many days they've been there, show them the Airbnb or VRBO contract, show all the information you can to that lawyer so he can anticipate exactly what needs to be done to get rid of that people. Now, I've seen some people that have another approach that it might work. You know, it's not the best way, but actually it works in some cases. And in this case, what they do is they put other people inside that unit. You know, like add more renters in there. So they find people that actually goes in there and stays in there. So normally these squatters don't like to be with other people around. They have to leave. They take the decision to leave most of the time. Now, I don't suggest actually doing that, but for what I have seen in many cases, it works. But I would rather just go to the lawyer, ask a lawyer, and make sure what are the laws in that state or municipality or county, and how you can get rid of those squatters right away. And remember, by the time you do this, you're going to be losing probably you're going to be losing tenants that are coming after your, next online reservations. You're going to have to lose them because, of course, you don't want these people to go with the squatters, right? So the best thing also you have to do is advise Airbnb or VRBO or whatever platform you're using, whatever the reservation come from, advise them what's going on and find a solution for those new reservations. Like, you're gonna have to probably return the money, the deposit, so they can actually look at a different place. But you have to do that, advise them really quick, as soon as you can. And same thing with a lawyer. Don't wait time. Don't try to do anything on your own, because remember, these people really knows the laws. They know better than you the laws, and they know exactly what they expect from you. So they're going to try to push you to do some illegal things. Just go straight to a lawyer, ask the lawyer, be guided by a lawyer. Okay, I cannot guide you because I'm not a lawyer, and every locality will be different. Every location will be different. Okay, so that's my recommendation. Unfortunately, this is something that is happening more often than what I was expecting, but not much actually. I mean, I would probably say it's 2.5% of all the cases, so it's not much, but it's happening. I mean, I don't know how these people is getting there, but I would probably say most of the time is because their contract is for more than 21 days. So they know they're getting close to 30 days, and they take advantage of that. So most of that people will not rent you for 15 days because they know they can stay there 30 days or more than 30 days. So you'll be avoiding all these issues if you do that. Limit your rents no more than 15 days. You can do 21, but it's very close to the border of those 10 days that you can have to take them out. If by any chance you got a delay on something, it's going to cost you more time. So 15 days maximum the rent, that would be the best option, and then you can avoid all that. And also check the reviews on the people that goes there. If they don't have reviews, don't take them. It's better to lose 2 or 3 days with no reservations than actually having somebody staying on your property for a month and for free. So take your decision based on that, and hopefully you liked what I've been telling you today. All this is going to be part of the book that I'm writing, that I have promised people that I will send them the book to all my subscribers in this channel. So saying that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and the notification bell also, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching.